Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not launching on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve not launching on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to CapCut and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us.